The world around us is evolving. Technology, mobility, and customer expectations are changing faster than ever. And so are we. The change is more than a new name or a new logo. It represents a renewed purpose. A purpose of transformation from being an auto component manufacturer to a complete engineering solution provider. Our ambition is to achieve more than 2x in the next 5 years, which will be fueled by our investment in R&D, venturing into the non-auto segment and upgrading our manufacturing infrastructure. At Victura, our mission is clear: to be a one-stop solution for every engineering need, delivering innovation with purpose and precision.
At Victura, our transformation is more than a change in identity, it's a change in purpose. We are evolving from being a components manufacturer to becoming a complete engineering solutions provider. And while we are growing and expanding, we have made sure our manufacturing excellence improves day by day. We have expanded to more than 20 plus manufacturing facilities across India, backed by automation, research and development, and new age machines. We are deeply focused on addressing the supply chain challenges, driving growth through diversification, disciplined execution, and a consistently positive customer experience. The change from auto to technologies marks our strategic evolution, from a strong industrial base to a global technology-led enterprise ready to lead across new sectors and geographies. The opportunities ahead of us are immense, from diversification into medtech, semicon, and defense, to expanding our global footprint across markets like Mexico and Japan, and embracing emerging technologies that will redefine the industrial landscape. We are building an organization that values its people, leverages technology, and seizes every opportunity to engineer progress.